Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can sign out of your Google account from your device. Means even though if your Gmail is logged in another device, maybe in another location, then also you can remotely sign out from this. I'll tell you. And first of all, this is my Gmail ID. See here at the laptop corner, you can see this profile picture, right now I'm showing on the desktop laptop computer, but the same goes with the mobile also. Even though if you do these steps on the mobile also, the procedure is absolutely similar. Just for the convenience purpose, I'm showing on the laptop. At the end of the video, I'll show it on the mobile too. So first of all, open Google Chrome browser and browse through Google, and make sure you log into your Gmail account. And here you can just search as myactivity.google.com and just browse through this website myactivity.google.com and click on activity controls. Click on Google account. Click on Google account and click on the security. Under security, just scroll down. Scroll down until you see this option called your devices. Under security, click on your devices. So this is where in different devices your Google account is logged in. See here, your current session. This means currently on this laptop, okay, and this is on my mobile, and this is on my another mobile. If I click on this, I'll get this option like sign out. If I click on the sign out, so that on that other device, on the Realme device, my Gmail account gets signed out. So it will ask for the confirmation. If you click on sign out, that gets signed out. Okay, in this way you can just remotely log out from your or sign out from your Gmail account. As I said, I'll show you on the mobile device also. Just I'll continue with the mobile device. Okay, here also on the mobile device the procedure is very similar. Just you need to open the Chrome browser, and here also just search as myactivity.google.com, and you need to click on these three dots and click on this desktop site and open the first site and click on these three bars and click on Google account, then click on security here. Under security you can see your devices, and the procedure is same. You can just click on here and you will find the sign out option, and you can just sign out. Okay.